Most of the hair oil products in this market, they are completely loaded with the chemicals and toxins like sulfates and parabens, and some of them are really natural and herbal. One of the brand which is so popular and it's jumping off is Indulekha. So friends, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Wait, did you subscribe the channel? No, right? I know that. So please subscribe the channel and paint it red and press the bell icon so you never miss any update from me. Hello friends, welcome back to Expert Wellbeing. In this video, we will be knowing the ingredients present in the Indulekha. Does it really work? Yes or no? If yes, then how to use it? If no, then why? What are the side effects of the Indulekha and what are the healthier alternatives? Friends, now let's see what are the ingredients present in the Indulekha. Avla, Brahmi, Bhringraj, almonds, coconut, mulethi. These are some of the ingredients which are present in the Indulekha, and there are no chemicals mentioned in ingredients. That means they are purely natural and herbal. Friends, if you have seen the ads of the Indulekha, you must have seen that they used to claim if you use the oil for 4 months regularly, then you will see a reduction in your hair fall, your whitish hair turn to blacken, and also new hair growing. Friends, is it true? Really true? I don't think so. But friends, let's see. According to the review of 90% of the people, this oil doesn't work to them. But 10% of them are there which they say this oil worked to them. But also they just reduce the hair fall. They do not grow new hair. First of all friends, the nature of the hair differs from person to person. And also friends, my personal review and my honest review, I say that Indulekha is not such a good oil that you must spend so much. It does not grow your new hairs, and also reduction in your hair fall is also for some people's only. So friends, now let's see why Indulekha doesn't work so much. Even though they claim that they are completely herbal and natural, and they are black sheep to the world of Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, when you make some medicines, whether it is oil or anything, then it is required that your procedure of making the medicine, it should be perfect. The quality of the herbs should be very good. And in Indulekha, they haven't followed any of the procedures according to Ayurveda. They haven't maintained the quality of the herbs so that they are not giving so good results. Friends, when we talk about the side effects of the Indulekha, there are no side effects of the Indulekha because it is completely herbal and natural. Friends, I must make you clear that it is my opinion and it is an honest opinion. It is your wish that you want to follow or not. It is neither a sponsored video by other company that please say bad things about the Indulekha. It is my personal opinion. Friends, last but not the least, now let's see what are the healthier alternatives. First one is, if you want longer and stronger hair, use pure coconut oil. But exception friends, do not use it when the winter season arises. What friends? Do not use the coconut oil when winter season arises. Coconut oil is used when the climate is humid. Second, if you want relief from dandruff and itching, then use pure almond oil. The company Dabur makes almond oil which is purely, completely made of only almond oil, no chemicals, surfactants or anything. Third, if you're looking for a good Ayurvedic hair oil, then go for Bhringraj Thailam for overall nourishing of the hair. Two brands, both are my personal favorites and they really give very good results. They have followed the Ayurvedic method of making the medicine. The both brands are Baidyanath and Kama Ayurveda. Fourth, if you have dry hair and you want a relief from it, then use mustard oil. Fifth, for good hair growth. Friends, who doesn't want the hair growth? Everyone wants stronger and thicker hairs. For this, use castor oil. Castor oil is really very good for thickening the hair to make hair stronger and also growing the hair 3 times faster. Friends, if you have liked the knowledge I have given, then give a big thumbs up to the video. And friends, if you haven't subscribed the channel till now, please subscribe the channel till now, because 34% of the people who watch the video completely but still doesn't subscribe the channel. So friends, please subscribe the channel and paint it red and push the bell icon so you never miss any update from me. Till then friends, stay fit, stay healthy, stay tuned. Namaskara.